Hey Queens, it's your girl Nene and welcome back to another Amazon wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a short wig that I picked up from Amazon, and the bag that you're seeing right now did not come with the wig. These are actually like some zipper bags with labels that I picked up from Amazon. I'll put the link to those in the description, but this wig is a two-tone short wig. It has two combs, which I'm getting ready to show you, and the color is F1B/33, I believe. So here's the back of the wig, you guys. Like I said, it does have two combs. There's one in the front, and here's a look at that, and there's a comb in the back as well, which I'm getting ready to show you. This wig also does come with adjustable straps. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the wig on and let's style it together. Y'all, when it comes to short wigs, I always like to start with the ear tab area, the hairs on the side of the wig. I feel like that can really make or break a wig. I want the side hairs of my wig, I guess you could say like the sideburns per se, to look as natural as possible, because I think that's going to make a big impact when it comes to how good my wig looks. So I don't even worry about the front at first. I go straight to the side. So all I'm doing for this one is combing them out so I can see how much hair I actually get to work with. This wig came with a lot of side hairs, which was great because I'd rather have more than enough than have not enough. So I'm just combing them out, and then I noticed that it was a little bit on the thicker side for me and my liking, so I took my hair scissors and I went ahead and just snipped just a little bit off. I didn't do anything specifically special. The first thing I did was run the scissors across the hair instead of like chopping it in an even cut, and then I realized it was quite a bit I wanted to take off, so I did snip a little bit, but not like a full straight across chop. I want it to be angled. So once I got the ears together, that's when I went into the rest of the hair, you guys. So for the ears, I did a little bit of cutting. I want it to be angled, and I kind of want it to be like a pointed triangle, if that makes sense. I want it to be smooth and pointed at the ends, and then like go up into the hairline. So once I got that together, I went ahead and started with the top of the wig. Now this wig, it has, I guess you could say, like a silky texture, not super silky but manageable. And then also the area in the top, it does have a few layers. So all I did was take my comb and just comb it and swipe it across until I got it looking how I wanted. When it came to the bangs, I just manipulated it a little bit to get it to lay in front of my, or on top of my eyes the way I wanted it to. I didn't want it like fully covering my eyebrows, but I did want it to be longer. I like a longer bang. I don't really like a shorter bang. On this wig, if the bang is too long for you, you can pull the wig back to make the bang shorter, or you can cut it. But me personally, I'd like to try to pull it back first, because some days I may want a longer bang, some days I may want a shorter one, but if I pull it back, I don't have to actually cut it, and I can get both styles. And I just pulled the wig back, kind of showing you guys how you could do that. Also with the bang, I lifted it up a little bit, which I just showed y'all, to give it a little bit of volume and kind of make it look like a feathered look. And y'all, that was basically it for the front of the wig. So for the back, I'm going to take some wax, some hair wax, and this hair wax stick that I got from Amazon. I'll put it in the description so you guys can pick it up if you want. It's by Eben, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to run that across the back of the wig. Looking at it, it is pretty flat, so really I didn't necessarily have to do this step, but I didn't see the back of the wig until I looked at the footage, you guys. So I just did that, and then I just took a small brush and I just want to brush that product in on the back of the wig. Now you can also trim and edge up that back part and make it even. Me personally, I just pull the hairs to the middle and I don't worry about it. But if you really want to get fancy, you can take some trimmers and trim up and shape up the back of that wig. But overall, I don't think it looked bad back there at all. So now that I'm getting that together, I am going to do and use one more product, which is a wig spray, and that's just going to give it a little bit of a natural shine. I don't want to use too much of either of these products, and this is the final look, you guys. I am going to show you a 360 view so you can see the back, but I think that this wig turned out so cute. Like I said, I got it on Amazon, and I think that is such a cute look. I really like it a lot. Here's the front view of the wig. I think the colors look so good together and are blended pretty well, and I also got a lot of compliments when I wore this out, you guys. A lot of people liked it and were interested in it. So here's the back of the wig, you guys. For me to not have trimmed it or anything, I think it looks so good. And I do want to note, you guys, of course my braids are not flat up under this, but for it to not be flat, this looks so good. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time styling this wig with you guys. Like I said, the information to the wig and all the products that I use, including that bag that I'm wearing, because that was such a cute look, is in the description of this video. It is all from Amazon, things that I picked up. And I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know what you think about the style and if you tried it. Love you, queen, so much, and I'll talk to you in the comments below. Bye.